Make peace with your past. How to be less self-conscious. What happened already happened. Let me say it again. What happened already happened. So this is an arrival where you can learn language, and I'm gonna leave it there, and I don't wanna do any spoilers.
I feel like everything that happens comes down to the two of us.
So what I'm trying to say is make peace with your past. If you've had a really crappy past, you can't use that against yourself for the rest of your life.
That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life.
If you've had all these things happen, you're saying the reason why I'm not successful is because of this, and this happening.
There's no wonder you get D's and everything.
You can't use that excuse.
Well, maybe you're just making excuses.
Because you can't tell your kid, hey, mom, dad, why are we on welfare? Hey, mom and dad, why are we broke? Oh, the reason why is because I had an opportunity when I was 18, 21, or 26. It didn't work out, and that destroyed the rest of my life. Because that's not true. You have to know that whatever happened, happened, and we have to move forward very quickly. Whatever happened, if it was positive, great. Whatever happened was negative, that's great. Either way, that's not going to control or dictate our future. Just because something worked out for us doesn't mean it's going to be all fine and dandy later. Many, many stars have won Oscars. Many, many stars have been in some of the biggest movies of all time. And ever since that movie, have never got work ever again, because even if something positive happens in your life, doesn't dictate our future. When something negative happens in our life, that doesn't dictate our future. It's how we answer it that makes the difference. My mentor once told me a story about two twin identical blood brothers. And these two brothers, their dad was an alcoholic, didn't do anything with his life, beat the kids.
Hey, Pop, can I ask you a question? How come you ain't never liked me?
Did drugs around them, drunk alcohol every single day, was probably one of the worst fathers in the history of being a father.
Hey everybody, I'm Peter Pantsless!
There was a news reporter that interviewed both these brothers. One of the brothers was homeless, also on drugs, and the news reporter said, why did you end up the way you did? Why is your life this way? Why are you homeless? Why do you drink? Why do you do drugs? Why do you have no family? Why does your family hate you? And he says, oh, that's easy. Because my father was useless. My father was a druggie. My father was an alcoholic. My father beat me. So I learned everything from him. And the news reporter said, that's interesting. Wow, I'm so sorry to hear that. Then the news reporter interviewed his twin brother. And this twin brother was a multi-millionaire, was successful, beautiful family. Kids were in college. Everyone in his family after that was successful. And the news reporter said, wow, your father was a druggie, your father was an alcoholic, and your father beat you. And you're this multi-millionaire successful person. How is this possible? And then that brother said, how could I not be? My father was an alcoholic. My father beat me. My father did drugs. My father did all these horrible things. How could I not be successful? I learned everything from him. I learned everything that I didn't want to be in my life, so I did the opposite of him. So my point in my story is make peace with your past. Whatever happened to you, negative or positive in the back then or whatever, doesn't dictate or control your future. You make your future the way it is. You say what's going to happen. You can have complete control of your future. Don't let what happened in the past drag into your future. In order to grab a hold of the future, you must let go of the past.
So take me away.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video on social media right now if you can, and I'll see everybody tomorrow.